A simple exponential math problem. Problem 5 over 4 power x minus 4 power minus x is equal to 10 over 3. Now solve the value of x in this problem. At first here cross multiply, then 10 same time 4 power x minus 4 power minus x is equal to 15, then 4 power x minus 4 power minus x is equal to 15 over 10. Here 4 power x, then 4 power x minus 4 power minus x, we can write 4 power 1 over 4 power x is equal to here 3 same time 5, here 2 same time 5, then 5 cancel. Let 4 power x is equal to y. Then the problem y minus 1 over y is equal to 3 over 2. Here LCM y, then y square minus 1 is equal to 3 over 2. So 2y square minus 2 is equal to 3y. Next, then 2y square minus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here 2 same time 2 is equal to 4. Now here 3. So 2y square minus 4y plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here 2y common, then y minus 2 plus 1 common, so y minus 2 is equal to 0. Then y minus 2, next 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Then y minus 2 is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 4 power x, 4 power x is equal to y. Then 4 power x is equal to 2. So 2 power 2x is equal to 2 power 1. Next 2x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 over 2. X is equal to 1 over 2. Here case 2, case number 2, then 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Then 2y is equal to minus 1. Here y is equal to minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2. So 4 power x is equal to minus 1 over 2. Here negative value is rejected, so here rejected. Now the value of x in this problem, x is equal to 1 over 2.